Hi everyone, welcome to Kelly's Data Insights. I'm Kelly. Today we'll be focusing on Epi Info, an amazing tool for public health professionals. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of my tutorials. Now let's dive into how to download Epi Info. Alright, first we need to open our preferred web browser and go to the official Epi Info page. You can do this by typing in Epi Info into your search engine, or you can go to the link in the description box. You click on Epi Info CDC. Now that you're on the home page, you need to scroll down and you can see that there are several options. You have Epi Info for Windows, Epi Info for mobile, Epi Info for web and cloud. But for this video, we'll be downloading the Windows version. So you click on Epi Info for Windows. All right, then you need to scroll down and you'll see there are two different methods of downloading. You'll find a zip file, but there you need to extract and it will take longer. The second option, which is download installer, is a much faster method. So you need to click on download installer. As you can see there on top, my installer is downloading. All right, so in the file, you just need to click up the setup, click on setup, and then you need to run for it to install. All right, so then now you'll be welcome to Epi Info 7.260 Setup Wizard. You click next, next, and then next again. And then you wait for the installation to commence. So we patiently wait for this installation to be done. Awesome, installation complete. Now you can see on your desktop there's a shortcut for Epi Info. So you click on the shortcut and there you have it. There you have the Epi Info menu. You can see click forms where you're able to create surveys and questionnaires, enter data, information out, enter data. You have the create maps and you have the stat calc. You also have a section of analysis of the data with the classic one, and you'd also have visual dashboard. So thank you so much for watching. I hope it was informative. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave any questions or comments in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.